Knee osteoarthritis detection. Of the various types of arthritis, osteoarthritis is the most prevalent, affecting nearly 237 million people globally. Although there is no known cure for arthritis, the benefit of early detection is invaluable. Developed in Python, this knee osteoarthritis system is designed to detect arthritis and predict its severity. This system consists of two entities, admin and patient. The patient needs to upload their X-ray images along with the required personal details. Using CNN algorithm, this system applies multiple convolution layers to generate a confidence score. Based on the confidence score, a report will be generated and presented to the admin. Arcade Shooter Game. Developed in Python, this Pygame module Arcade Shooter is a classic side-scroller game. Comprising of 4 levels of varying difficulty, this game combines elements of platform games with run-and-run games. The player can sprint using A, D, and W to jump and double jump from one ledge to another. As the player progresses through the game, they'll encounter goblins who will fire upon them. The player must evade the goblins' attacks while simultaneously moving their mouse to aim and shoot at them. If the player gets hit by goblins more than twice, the level restarts. Moreover, this game also features an autosave feature that will allow the player to store up to 9 save games. PDF to audio converter. Be it proofreading an important work email or flipping through an intriguing ebook, reading is an unavoidable part of our lives. Although, staring at a screen for long hours causes undue strain to our eyes. Developed in Python, this PDF to audio converter can instantly translate and vocalize any PDF text. Once logged in, the user can upload PDF documents by clicking on Read PDF. The user then needs to choose the language in which they want to be vocalized. After conversion is completed, user can listen to their document by clicking on Listen PDF. Space Fighting Game. Developed using Python, this space fighting game is reminiscent of many arcade games from the early 80s. The player has to constantly shoot and dodge to prevent being obliterated by a constant barrage of asteroids. This game features two kinds of power-ups. While one improves defense by replenishing the player's health, the other boosts attacks by multiplying the rate of fire. As a player's score increases, the game ramps up difficulty by increasing the frequency and speed of the asteroids. If the player's health bar runs out, they end up losing a life. Lose all 3 lives and it is game over. Fake logo detection. Besides duping consumers of their hard-earned money, counterfeit products also damage a brand's reputation. This fake logo detection app aims to fight forgery by helping users identify whether a logo is real or forged. The user needs to simply click on Start Detection and point their camera at the logo they wish to verify. This system then analyzes the logo and generates a confidence score. If the confidence score is above 90%, then the brand's name will be displayed. However, if the confidence score is below 90%, the logo will be declared as fake. Student Grievance Redressal System. Addressing and resolving students' grievances is essential to maintaining a conducive environment for learning. The Student Grievance Redressal Cell project, based in Python, helps to systematically address the complaints of the students. Any student can submit their grievance along with their contact details. The student is then sent a unique tracking ID that allows them to track their complaint. The handlers can then view and manage the grievances. Once a grievance has been resolved, the handler can accordingly update the status. Online Property Management System. Finding a place to buy or rent can get arduous and cumbersome. This property management system, coded using Python, aims to streamline the process of property hunting. After logging in, a user can view and sort all available options for buying and renting. If the user finds a property they like, they can book an appointment to view the property through this system. Along with helping customers with property hunting, this system is helpful for realtors as well. Realtors can add available properties along with details relevant to the property. Realtors can also view their upcoming appointments with potential clients.